These are the red staff elevators at the red building. Hennepin Healthcare in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Get this one. Oh, four ma'am?
Fifth. Thank you.
Oh, nothing.
What? Oh.
Sorry, I'm just enjoying your elevators. Sorry. Here you go, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
All right. Here we go. 7. These are a lot. They're a bit the same as the passenger ones that I filmed last time. All right. There's 7. Going there. All right. Go back down to L. Close up with the button. Okay, we're stopping at 5. Hello? Oh, there you are. Where are you going to?
2, thank you.
Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is a nice elevator. But it's a staff elevator. It's a bit of a hospital-sized elevator. Send this one up so I can get another one. And we'll call the other one. Besides, this elevator over here is for personal use only. Let's call another one. So you can get this one right here. Let's get that view indicator. Maybe not. Could be here. Let's try calling it one more time. I knew this one worked earlier. Here it is. All right, here we go to 7. This door's a little creaky in this one. The fan is annoying. We get a non-stop flight in this elevator. Here at 7. Hey, going down?
No.
What floor?
1.
Are you both going to 1?
What's that?
Are you both going to 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, check and make sure. Okay, we're stopping at 2.
What's that?
Going down? Yeah, are you going down to 1?
Correct.
Okay. I'm going to L. Forgot to push that button. Here you go. Have a nice day. Let's get a cab view of this nice elevator. It's really a nice elevator. And I'm happy being these things. I've been working in this building, so. Anyways, there it goes. Key door. And that's it.